Begin with Governor Kemp expected to issue a new executive order by tomorrow, renewing COVID-19 restrictions. He's also expected to add new measures addressing his recently dropped lawsuit against Atlanta's mayor and city council. Kemp says he dropped it following a breakdown in negotiations between him and Mayor Keisha Lance Bottom. So instead, he says he'll resort to a new executive order to address it, specifically the rights of private property owners. The mayor has called his comments woefully inaccurate. The current order expires tomorrow at midnight. Social distancing is still required. Gatherings of more than 50 people, unless they're social distancing, are banned. And those living in long-term care facilities and the medically fragile are asked to shelter in place. The public health emergency is still in effect through September 10th.